Hello. Welcome to Hexal Dutch School. In this session, we will explore some important pronunciation differences between Dutch and English. These differences may seem small, but they can really affect how well you are understood. Let us take it step by step. Let us begin with a very common Dutch sound. The Dutch G. In English, we do not have this sound. It is pronounced from the back of the throat. The Dutch word goed means good in English. Let us break it into syllables and understand its pronunciation correctly. In goed. G is a soft throat sound, like clearing your throat gently, goed. Repeat after me. Goed. Now let's look at another word that shows this sound again. The word graag means gladly or with pleasure. It's used when you say things like I would like that. Graag. Let's break it down. Graag. Remember, the G here is not like the English G, it is more throaty. Graag. Repeat after me. Graag. Next, let's look at the vowel difference. In Dutch, the ui sound is unique. It doesn't exist in English. The word huis means house. Let's break it down. Huis. H. U. S. Huis. Try to shape your mouth like you're saying ow in English, but stretch the sound differently. Huis. Repeat after me. Huis. Another word with this sound is the word luister, which means listen. This is useful in healthcare when giving instructions. Let's break it down. L. U. S. Ter. Luister. Repeat after me. Luister. Now let's compare the Dutch W with the English one. In Dutch, the W is softer. More like an English V but with lips closer together. Let's use the word water. It means water. Let us break it down. Ter. Water. In English, we say ter. But in Dutch it's softer. Ter. Repeat after me. Water. One last important note. In Dutch, every syllable is usually pronounced clearly. In English, we often reduce syllables. For example, the word lopen means to walk. In English, we might say walkin, but in Dutch, we say pen. Pronounce both syllables clearly. Lopen. Repeat after me. Lopen. Let's say each word one more time. Goed. Graag. Huis. Luister. Water. Lopen. Great job. Keep practicing and see you in the next session.